Okay, this is Mrs. Mason, and I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a shirt for tie-dye. Here is an example of a spiral starburst, and we're going to learn how to tie the shirt so it'll come out in that pattern. So we're going to do the best we can, and you need to watch it as many times as you want to. First, we get the shirt wet, we wring it out, and then we'll go ahead and lay it face down, the front of the shirt down on a flat surface. Get the wrinkles out, because the wrinkles will show when you dye it. Get the wrinkles out. So we have our shirt laid out flat, and you're going to need 6 to 8 rubber bands, but we're basically going to spiral the shirt, and then the light green is going to be where we're going to put the rubber bands. So this little diagram just shows you where the shirt is, and the rubber bands are going to be in a formation that crosses each other. We'll take a ruler, any ruler, just make sure it's clean. Go to the center of the back of the shirt, and you start twisting the wet fabric. Try to make sure that you don't get any bumps and creases in it as you go. And hold down low on the instrument that you're twisting with so that it doesn't break and that you have nice even twists. And you're doing a spiral of the shirt, just like in the little diagram. Just like in the little diagram, it's going to be like a spiral, the fabric. And then we want to get all those edges in. Now we're going to take a rubber band. Here's our rubber bands. And we're going to try not to disturb the fabric, but we're going to go ahead and crisscross them. So if I did it horizontal, the next one will be vertical. And then I do the diagonals. And you want to make sure that you have all the little edges secured. So roughly 6 to 8. If you want to do 10, you can do 10. I'm going to take out my ruler now. So far I've got this. I'll show you in just a minute the rest of it. I think I'll put 2 more on just so you can see it and I can lift it up. Okay, so our shirt's going to now look like this. That's the back side. This is going to be the front side. You'll see that the pattern, the spiraling pattern and the folding is much nicer on the front side. That's why we put it face down when we go to tie it. And then I'm going to show you how to put your label on it so that we'll be able to have it for the next day for tie-dye. So I'm going to lay down my phone. I took a piece of masking tape. I put my name on it. And then you're going to lift one of the rubber bands, and you're going to put your name tag on it, and you're going to fold the name tag onto itself. So when we soak it in the soda ash solution, which helps to make the dye set to the fabric, you will not lose your label. It will not float off. And now our shirt is completely ready to tie-dye. I've just got to soak it in the soda ash, and we are ready to rumble.